everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Manoj watching Tech and Coding channel MyCodeWorks. So guys, in this video we are going to install Java JDK22. So let's get started. So like directly just write Java 22, okay, JDK22 download. Okay, so first we need to download that and then we'll install that, and we'll set up the path in environment variable. Okay, so once you are here on this, and we have to scroll down. If you go downside, you will see Windows 64-bit installer, and then click on this win.exe. So okay, so it's a binding version as of now, so let's click and then we'll see. Okay, so JDK22 is being installed now. I mean, it's being downloaded here. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates. Till that it's downloading, and once it's downloaded, we'll directly install it. Okay, so I already making videos on how to install different setups and different software, and also videos related to coding and technical videos. So please check out my channel. And once it's downloaded, let's click on this. Okay, let's click on this one. So now Java JDK is installed successfully. Okay, so let's close this and open the command prompt. cmd Java VERSIN. Okay, so let's check whether the Java has been installed in our system or not. If you see here, Java has been already installed in our system. So you can see here, it's released in recently, so March 19 March, I think. So that's what, like how we can install the Java. And if you want to set up the Java home path, you can directly set up the path here. So let's go to environment variable to set up the path environment variable, and we'll check where Java is installed first. So we'll copy the Java path first here. So we'll go directly here in C because we installed in C. Okay, let's go here Java. Till this we are going to copy this the path here, and then we are going to click on the environment variable and path. Let's create a new, and that should be a Java underscore home, and the path we are going to provide it here. And okay, and inside this path we are going to click it here and put a no new, and this should be a percent Java home, the variable that we created, Java home percent and slash bin. Till bin we have to provide it here. Okay, and click on OK. So this is the way to set the environment variable for Java path. Okay, so like this we can set up the Java path in Windows 10. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any issue in installing and setting the paths, please put in comment section whatever query you have, and we'll meet in next video with new content. Till that, bye bye. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe and hit bell icon for more updates, and don't forget to share with your friends. Bye bye.